What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2009 Toyota Matrix, and I'm going to show you how to change the ignition coil. What you'll need is a 10mm and also some sort of small screwdriver or pick. So to begin, we're going to pop the hood. The most common reason why you'll want to change an ignition coil is if you've got a misfire. And you can use a scan tool to identify which cylinder the misfire is coming from. At that point, you can either just go ahead and replace the coil, or the smarter thing to do would be to swap the coil with another cylinder and see if the misfire follows that coil or if it stays with the cylinder. So I'm going to remove this cover. Just pops off. And you can see the coil is there. Now the 10mm is pretty self-explanatory. It's to remove the bolt. But the pick actually comes in handy, especially on the higher mileage, older vehicles. A lot of times just pushing the top of the connector is not sufficient to get the bottom part of the connector to clear the tab. So in that case, you can use a pick to pry it upwards higher than you'd be able to otherwise. So yeah, with the connector removed, you can go ahead and pop the screw out. And one thing that often goes overlooked is the condition of the connector itself. You'll want to take a peek on the inside and see if it's corroded in any way. So we pop the old coil out. You'll want to look at the coil itself and also look down in the hole if you're able to check and see if there's any signs of oil. Oil can sometimes leak from the valve cover tube into where the coil goes, and an oil-soaked coil is likely to fail prematurely. I've got my new coil here. Just slides down there like so. Hook it up and throw the tin back on. So yeah, that's just about it. Don't forget to put the cover back on. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, any advice about the ignition system on your Toyota Matrix.